अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग? ठीक हैं जी। सो टुडे वी डिस्कस अबाउट द 100 ज्योग्राफी क्विज which are very important. Mostly they come into different interviews and in different exam. So first question number 1 is, what is Watergate? Options are: a gate of dam across Mississippi. No, this is not true. Option number B, a dam across Hudson River. No. Option number C, scandal in which President Richard Nixon caught in graft. Yes, Watergate is a scandal of President Richard Nixon. Question number 2, what is the name of building which hold the principal US billion depository? Options are: A, Fort Atkinson, B, Fort Collinson, C, Fort Knox, D, Jodel Bank. So the right answer is C, Fort Knox. And question number 3, which country produce the maximum sugar in the world? Options are USA, India, Cuba, Brazil. So I think the answer is Brazil. The answer is Brazil. Question number 4, what is the capital of Morocco? What is the capital of Morocco? The options are: A, Muscat, B, Managua, C, Ulaanbaatar, D, Rabat. The answer will be Rabat, D. Question number 5, Death Valley is located in: A, California, USA, B, Kerala, India, C, Israel, D, Saudi Arabia. The right answer is California, USA. Death Valley located in the California. Question number 6, Yurts are: A, nomadic tribe of Middle East, B, a type of milk preparation, C, a tent of animal skin of the monodic tribe of Central Asia, D, a type of landform found in the desert. The right answer is C, a tent of animal skin of monodic tribe of the Central Asia. The right answer is C. Question number 7, Galileo satellites named after their discovery are 4 large moons of the planet. Options are: A, Jupiter, B, Neptune, C, Saturn, D, Uranus. The right answer is A, Jupiter. Question number 8, with the disintegration of USSR towards the end of 1991, comprises dash unions republicans. The answer is about 50 unions. Question number 9, Old Faith is a geyser in US, volcano in Hawaii, waterfall in Venezuela. The answer is Old Faith is a geyser in USA. Question number 10, which of the following type of coal contain 90% of carbon and is smokeless? The options are: anthracite, bituminous, lignite, peat. The right answer is A, anthracite. Question number 11, Willies are tropical revolving storm in. Options are: Western Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Northwest Australian waters. The right answer is D, Northwest Australian waters. Question number 12, dash and dash are sometimes referred to as low countries of Europe. Denmark, Sweden, no. England, Ireland, no. Netherlands, Belgium, yes. Netherlands and Belgium are sometimes called as low countries. Question number 13, dash is sometimes referred to as a land of white elephants. So white elephant refer to Tanzania? No. India? No. Thailand? Yes. Thailand sometimes referred as white elephant land. Question number 40. 19% loss from the flood occurs in coastal plain, Deccan Plateau, North Plain. None of these. The answer will be C, North Plains. Question number 15. A bowl-shaped depression created by glacial erosion is called talus cirque, hanging through terrain. The answer will be cirque. Question number 16. A cataract is a huge waterfall, marshy creek, mountain pass. Currency cataract a huge waterfall. Okay, the answer is cataract is a huge waterfall. Question number 17. A comet is a options are: he is a tail always pointing away from the sun, he is a tail always pointing away towards the sun, he is a tail sometime pointing towards the sun and sometime away from it, he is no tail. The right answer is A, he is a tail always pointing away from the sun. Question number 18. A cyclone is a system of wind in which the wind blows spirally. Options are: towards the center of low pressure, towards the center of region of high pressure, C, towards the region of low pressure, outward from the center region to the high pressure. The answer is A, towards the center of low pressure. A cyclone system of wind in which the wind blows spirally towards the center of low pressure. Question number 19. A day is added when a man crosses the international date line from north to south, east to west, north to west, south to west. The answer is A, north to south. A day is added to the man when cross international date line. A hot, dry summer, mild winter with moderate rainfall and ample sunshine characterize the climate. B, Taiga, Mediterranean taiga, Western European subtropical steppes. The answer will be the B. Question number 21. The Colombo is the capital of Thailand, Sri Lanka, Japan. The right answer is Colombo is the capital of Colombo, I think capital of Sri Lanka. Question number 22. Comets are luminous celestial body moving around the Sun, Moon, Earth, Jupiter. The right answer is C, the Earth. Question number 23. Commercial fishing is best developed in China, Japan, Korea, Russia. The right answer is Japan. Question number 24. Compared to the other slope in northern hemisphere, which is warmest? East facing, south facing, north facing, west facing. The answer is B, south facing. Congo is situated on the coast of the Africa. Congo is situated on the coast of Africa. A, north, B, south, C, west, D, east. The right answer is A, north. Question number 26. Gate of Tears is Aberdeen, Scotland, Babel Mandan, Jerusalem, Prairies, Australia, Pamir, Central Asia. The right answer is Gate of Tears is B, Babul Mandab. Land of morning calm refer to